Dah sampai dah nak pergi toilet. Beg kita banyak.
Mungkin will be dekat dia punya gate. So kita nak minum air ke ataupun nak pergi solat maghrib isyak ke apa at your own time. But for now is this kita actually the train. So we left 2 more. You are able to counter 7 and counter 8. You go while I wait for the other 2. Boleh
Counter 7, 8.
Apa sayang? Tengah line up. Makan aiskrim tak habis lagi. Lagi tadi makan aiskrim tak habis. Abu dah habis tu? Ya. Cepat Abu. Tu dah jatuh-jatuh. Sayang, sayang. Anak tidur lah Sion. Muka masam. Muka masam. Anak sayang. Anak sayang.
Take care of Kiki.
Anak sayang. Dah. Bapak. Okay, all done. Dah jom. Ni kapal terbang kita kan? Ni gambar, ni kapal terbang kita. Jom. Abu. Mana bapak? Ni kapal terbang kita. Sedap ke bang? Sedap ke? Apa lah tu? Biryani? Macam biryani. Tak tahu
Apa dah tu? Okey.
Dah sampai Bahrain. Transit ke Bahrain. Sekarang kita nak transit ni daripada Bahrain ke Turki, ke Istanbul. Kakak
5:40.
Alhamdulillah dah sampai. Kakak Abu.
Kencing. Kencing.
Iya, nanti kat dalam luar ada toilet. Ni tak habis-habis dengan pergi toilet. Dah sampai Turki, Istanbul. Jangan fikir pasal tu. Mama anu pun tak tepat lah je. Ni ha. Turki. Turki. Come to Istanbul. Abu? Kakak?
Nak snow. Nak snow.
Nak snow? Sabarlah. Mak. Jom. Sedap. Yang aku tak pakai jaket tu.
Rasa
Rasa dah.
Sedap.
Rambut tak pakai tu.
Tokyo, 2 nights. Okay, and then we stay one more night in the,
Menuju
Old
ke
City,
Bursa,
and then we
Turki
just come
ni.
back to Istanbul. We make a big round trip. We start from here, all the circle, we come back. Almost half of Turkey we cover up. All the
Sekarang pukul
important
berapa bang?
highlights.
Sekarang kita
All
kat
the
sini.
important
Sekarang kat
UNESCO
Turki pukul berapa?
heritage site.
Apa?
In
Lapan.
Singapore,
Lapan.
You have how many
8
UNESCO
dah
sites?
masih gelap.
Dah kat itu 10 kan dia kat.
Yes. When we pass by after the bridge on the right hand side, you will see the board which is says "Welcome to Asia." Asia. Now on the right hand side, the old city one, and also you can castle. And then look at the castle on the right hand side. This is the Romanian fortress. Sultan Mehmet Al Fatih, when he trying to take the Istanbul, he put a big chain here, stop the European help to the Istanbul. So he able to take the Istanbul with this castle. On the left hand side there is another small one from the father, Bayezid, Sultan Bayezid. And today in Bursa we're gonna see the Masjid Ulu Jami, and the Sultan Bayezid, Sultan Bangun. Okay, and so everybody during the tour and each place, they once.
Rumah-rumah kat Turki.
Bursa. So when we pass by the bridge 2 kilometer, in the middle there is a tramway also. Not yet open, but normally connection of the Silk Road.